Hi guys, it's 1967. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Microsoft all-in-one wireless keyboard. The reason I bought this is because I play games while sat on the couch and I didn't want to have the annoyance of going across the laptop every time to press the up and down buttons, etc. So it's a very lightweight device. It's recommended. A lot of professional users use this, offices and stuff. It is made in China, not Japan, just in case you were wondering. So the package is very solid. First thing you notice, again, inside the box it's got a clear plastic. Nice, and it's nice and feels good. Tip that up. Alright. So inside the box, you've got your instructions, you've got your registered Microsoft, and it's got the all-in-one media keyboard settings, if you want to flip through that. Okay, it's in different languages, so you can get an idea, and some other booklets for you to take a look at. Alright, so what else is inside the box? We have a little USB, just a connector. Okay, it's the tiny little device that just goes in the back of your laptop or computer, whichever. I've got one similar to it's a Logitech mouse, very compact, and on the back it says Microsoft, so you know what it's from. So lovely feel. Open this up. As always with Microsoft, it's quality. Alright, so it feels very light in the hand. You can see it's all like a matte black. There's your fingerless keyboard, you know guys, so you don't need to have a mouse. Clicks fine. Okay, so in the back there'll be 2 batteries already installed, so that's really good. And also in the back you've got, so you can store your little cover for the USB connector. Clicks on really good. And it's decent sized buttons, soft key, soft touch, less noise, very nice. So I look forward to having a go with that. Might show you another video in operation. Thought I'd show you the unboxing of that. Thanks very much guys for watching mine, and why not check out my channel. Thanks very much. I think there was a registration document as well, so there you go. Thanks guys for watching, see you soon.